Alright, so last video I unboxed a cheap action camera. I've just gone and put two new camera mounts on the CB125F here, and we've just done a few laps around the yard. As you can see, it's our first nice day in about a week and a half, and I have been edging to get out here and do this. So I've mounted a mount on the fender for some cornering, and I've mounted one here for some front-facing moto-vlogging. I have to be under here because it's far too bright out there and I'm squinting. So now here's the footage from the camera. The microphone's busted, so the audio's rubbish, and I didn't feel like getting the lav mic all wired up. So here's just the raw audio, and might put some stock music over the top anyway, but this was mainly just to test out these camera angles. When I do go out on a ride, obviously I'll be recording my microphone separately, and so the audio quality on that camera won't matter. grass is very, very wet still, and I'm just going to take you for a bit of a drive through the track that I just went through.